Hi, this is Mr. Feinberg. I want to show you how to start doing assignments that your teacher gives you on Class Dojo. It could be from your teacher, it could be from me. But to do the assignment, you're going to need to use something called Kami, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm also going to show you how to use your touchpad. I'll show you a few tricks to make it easier to use when you're using Kami and other things. Okay, so let me show you the Chromebook. Alright, so this is the Chromebook that I'm going to be using to get on the Google Classroom. So first you turn it on, make sure you're logged into your account, and then you're going to click right over here on to open your browser, the Chrome browser. Okay, and you should get onto a Google page of some kind. You can check here, up here, to make sure that you're in your account. Okay, you can check like that. And then right next to it over here, there's about 9 squares. This is how you get to your Google Classroom. So you click there, and then you find the Google Classroom right here, and you click on that. And you should have some choices, or maybe you just have one choice. Choose the first grade Google Classroom. That's the one that's going to have all the assignments your teacher gives you. Okay, and now you can you want to start finding the assignments. You're like, where are they? Well, they're actually down. Okay, so how do you get down? I'm going to show you a trick. You're going to use 2 fingers to go up and down, up and down, up and down. So when I go up, it goes like that. When I go down, it goes like that. Okay, so up, so up, so it's blurry. So I'm going up, still blurry, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, really cool. So I'm going to go down, down, down. I'm going to look for an assignment that Mr. Feinberg gave. That's pretty easy. Let's see, down here, is that a focus again? Okay, here we go, going down. Here it is, okay. And the way you know it's an assignment that you're going to do in Kami is it's going to have this little picture, and then it's going to say the teacher, and here it says place value addition. So just click on this, and that means it's an assignment. Okay, and you're going to look over here. Here is the assignment. So I'm in Enrique's account, so you don't want to click here. This is turn in. This is when you're done. You're going to click here because that's the assignment. All right, so here I go. I'm going to click on this. And there's the assignment. But the thing is you might try to do it. You can try to do something. You click, you play with it, and nothing happens, right? So that's no good. You want to be able to work on it. Now you can go up and down. Okay, remember I showed you how to go up and down? You can do that on this too. I'm going down, I'm going up, I'm going down, I'm going up. But how do I write on it? Well, here's the big trick. You're going to look up here where it says, when I start to move my mouse around, or the touchpad, this blue thing appears. Okay, and what does it say? It says open in Kami. So this is the Kami thing I was talking about. So you click there. Okay, it takes a second, but you're going to get your same document. The same document we were working on before, but now you have stuff you can do on it, okay? Over here you have a lot of tools you can use, and you can play with it and see different ones. One you want to use is drawing, and another one you want to use at first is this one here, text box. So I'm going to click on text box. You could choose a color, and you could also choose what size you want it to be. So 14, and then over here you could choose different, it's hard to see. Click here. You've got some different sizes. 14 is probably a good size. I know it's hard to see. Okay, the bigger the number, the bigger the typing is going to be. And then you just click where you want to start typing. So I'm going to count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 2 ones. I want to type 52, so I'm going to put a 5 and a 2. Okay, and I'm going to move this box where I want it. And I look back over here and I say, okay, there's just a 10. So I'm not going to put 1. Oh, look, you can use this keyboard too if you like. Okay, so you can click where you want to start typing. So it's not focusing again. Okay, you can just click here and wait for a box to appear. Ah, there's a box. And I could type up here if I want and just say 1. But it's not 1, it's 110, so I'm going to put 0 ones. Okay? And if I want it bigger, I can go back here and change the number to a bigger number. Make it, oh, I can't see all the numbers, so I can scroll down. Remember I showed you how to do that? Do that again. Okay, I'm going to make it 18. So it's on focus. Okay, I'm going to make it 18 here. Oh, and look, it just got bigger. Cool. I want to make this one bigger too. So I just go in there somewhere and click 18 too. Okay, and it just got bigger. All right, and what was the answer? 10, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 52 plus. So there's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 2 ones. So I want to put that it equals 62. I'm going to do the text. This time I'm going to write it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to write it. I'm going to go to drawing, and I want to draw a red. If I want it to be a thick line, I can make it a, oh, sorry, I'm going to go to drawing. Drawing. Focus. Okay, so drawing, and if you want to make it a thick line, you make it a bigger number. These are thicker lines, these are thinner lines. So I'm going to use maybe a almost thin line, okay? So it's so out of focus. Okay, and I could choose a color. Maybe I want red. I like red because it's easy to see. Okay, I'm going to put my answer right here. Okay, now here's where it gets tricky. The way I like to write is when you want it to really write, here's the touchpad. Sorry. Okay, you're going to use this finger to tell it when you want it to write and this finger to draw with. Okay, so first I'm going to do it where you watch here and then you'll watch the screen. So I'm trying to write 62, right? So to put 6, I'm going to push here and put the 6. Then I'm going to let go. I'm going to go where I want to start the 2. I'm going to push down here and put the 2. And then if you look up here, you'll see I have a nice 62. Okay, let me try it again now. Let me try it again, and this time you'll watch the screen. Okay, so let me go to the eraser here. There's an eraser tool right here. I'm sorry, eraser right here. Okay, I'm going to erase it. So I push down when I push down with my thumb when I want to erase, or I could use, again, I can use my other hand. I can use this hand, and I can erase like that. Okay, you got to push down with your left hand. Okay, let's go back here. So this time you'll watch up here. I'm going to go to, let's see, the drawing tools again. I want to make it red. Okay, so let's take a look here. So I'll tell you what I'm doing with my hand. You'll see me writing right there. Okay, so I'm moving the cursor right there. And I'm pushing down with my left hand. I'm putting a 6. And then I'm going to push down with my left hand and push 2. Okay. And again, 2 fingers. Okay, this one to push down. I'm going to make a 62 again. Push down, draw a 6. Move to where I want to start the 2. And put it like that. Okay. Now, Oh, I wrote 62 twice. So again, I'm going to go use the eraser and erase this one. Easy. Okay, now we have 62. Now let's say I finished them all and I'm all done. Oh, I can't do anything because it's an eraser. So I need to go back up here and I need to push the select tool. That's the one on top. Okay, you're going to have to play with this to get really good at it. Okay. And then click anywhere to top. Okay. Now I'm ready to turn it in. I want my teacher to see it so I can get points. So up here it says turn in. You see that? I push turn in. And I'm going to push turn in. Okay, and then your teacher will get it. It's still turning in. Don't turn off your computer. Loading, and it's done. Now, if later you decide you don't want to, you can unsubmit it, and that means you could take it back. But I don't think you'll be using that much. Let your teacher see it. Okay, so that's, I think that's pretty much everything I want to show you here. So, let me pause this for a second. Okay, so sorry that took such a long time, but hopefully that gives you an idea how to use Kami. Do it and you'll start getting lots of points. There's lots of cool assignments for you to do on your Google Classroom, but let's get it done. And if you have any questions, you can always have your parents, or you can email or send a message to Miss Harney or me, and we'll be happy to help you. We really want you to start doing assignments so you can keep learning at home. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.